The Bitcoin price, guys, is falling. The Fed is about to give us in about 2 hours a new interest rate cut, and I'm also in a losing long trade. I'm going to tell you why I think Bitcoin has the chance of actually bouncing, going up, and actually where is the best idea to actually long, and why exactly haven't I closed the current trade. As you can see here, I told you guys that we are right now hitting an important area of support. However, because the area of support is very large right now, as I had entered a trade, as you can see here, Bitcoin has started dropping. And as I want to be very transparent with you guys and not show you only the winning trades, I want to tell you that I am right now, as you can see, in a bit of a losing trade. However, I'm not going to close it. I'm going to actually think about adding more to this trade if the Bitcoin price keeps on dropping further, because as I told you, based on our volume profile and also this harmonic pattern, as you can see here, technically Bitcoin, as long as it doesn't lose 110.5, we still got some support that we haven't lost yet. As you can see here, we still got 111.2 and 110.5. I'm going to explain to you guys why I'm going to actually long any further of a drop as long as we do not lose 110.5. Basically, my thesis of it hitting higher prices going up will only depend on one support, which is actually 110.5. As I told you previously, with me saying it over and over again, that basically the reason why I flipped bullish on Bitcoin, I think a week ago, because we had gone over 110.5, and basically that was us taking the volume profile tool from July to the current price action, and we had, as you can see here, had gone up above the value area low, as you can see here. And the idea basically of us going above the value area low and targeting the value area high, as you can see here, at 119.5. So technically the thesis still stands. Although Bitcoin right now is dropping heavily, we have seen a strong drop before the interest rate cut, which is expected to be 0.5 points of a cut, as you can see, which is technically bullish on Bitcoin. We haven't yet lost the point of control at 111.2 and also 110.5. And just to add to that, just to show you how important the support we've got under us and why I'm actually still trying to long this job. As I told you, I always look to actually prey on the people who get actually scared from these drops, and also when the price is dropping, only think about longing. If I take the volume profile tool and I pull it further back, as you can see here, from July, I take it to actually, I think from about May, when we had actually broken out of $100,000. As you can see, we clearly got 111.2, this area, as point of control, which has the highest, literally the highest volume ever since we had broken out of $100,000. As you can see here, this is the highest area where we've got support. So there's literally zero reason to be bearish or actually think about shorting. Yes, if you have any shorts from above, as I do with the current short, literally taking from the all-time high, I still got it open. However, if you do not have any short, please do not think about shorting at the current moment in price, as you can see, because it literally does not make sense to be scared and see the price go from 116.5 and still target, technically, whilst we are above 110.5, we are still technically targeting 119.5. So I'm not telling you guys that yes, Bitcoin will 100%, I'm certain that it's going to 119.5, which is the value area high. However, I'm just trying to give you guys the idea and the insight of me longing and trying a failed long, as seen right now, as you can see in the beginning of the video. However, I'm also planning, in case we keep dropping, I still got in my mind that we still have the most important support yet to come at 111.2 to 110.5. Hence why I'm going to actually, once we go lower, I'm going to add to my losing trade. If I'm wrong, if we say Bitcoin actually lose 110.5, we break down and then turn this as from support to resistance, then I'm going to be wrong, I'm going to lose money, and I'm going to transparently tell you guys that I was wrong about Bitcoin holding this support. However, literally does not make sense for me to not try this amazing long in case we actually make money out of it, because technically, as I told you, there's literally no reason to be bearish at support or actually bullish at resistance. This is the way I like to treat Bitcoin. If you want to trade with me, be ready for this idea. As I told you guys, I'm trying to share my ideas as much as possible, daily content right now with you guys. And also, I'm going actually live in my Arabic channel in, I think, about an hour or so. So if you want to support me and possibly start doing these live streams also on my new English channel, sub to this English channel, and also tell me in the comments down below. And just a reminder, we always got the free Telegram channel and also Weeks, the exchange that I use to actually trade with no KYC and a 50% deposit bonus. Thanks for watching, guys.